Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for another Plan With Me video. For next week I'm going to be using this Watercolour Mermaid kit from Cate Planning, and I'm going to be planning for the 23rd till the 29th of September. I did also grab some washi tape, but I didn't actually use any of this. I kept all the foiled stickers from Monique Plans, which I really enjoy using every week. Just quickly, so I don't forget to say it as well, if you did want to make an order from Cate Planning, make sure you use my code for a discount. It's just Jess10 and you'll get 10% off your order. Here I'm just starting by putting down the washi that came with the kit. I really like this marbled, watercolor. It's super bright still. I feel like watercolor I usually associate with pastel colors, but I just really liked the colors in this kit, a little bit outside my comfort zone, but as usual I think it came together really nicely as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the date covers down. I do end up using not this washi but some of the glitter headers that come on the extra sheet here. So I used the pink ones, and then I had some silver header overlays from Monique Plans that I added on top. They're just cute little polka dot ones. Then on Monday I'm starting off with this full box at the top, and then underneath I'm just going to mark in work using some of the decorative stickers from the kit, and then these work scripts. They're my favorite from Monique Plans as well. Now I'm just using these washi strips. They're a really pale yellow, and these little meal icons from Hamilton Print Co. just to mark off my dinners for the week. I did this I think 2 weeks ago and I found it super helpful, so I'm gonna do it again this week and hope that my dinner planning is as efficient as it was. Then I'm just using some of the checklists. I'm trimming them down almost so they're just a little, I think it's a little things label or just a really small box. And then I layered over it one of the Doodles Do, I think her name's Pippa, working at a desk. I really like these icons. I feel like they always match my spreads, and they're just the perfect size as well, big enough to kind of make an impact but not huge. Then I've got a pink quarter box in the middle gap there. I'm just going to use an extra header. I put an overlay on this one as well, but in that pink box I just use a little laundry basket icon from Hamilton Print Co. just to obviously mark in that I want to do some laundry after work. Now on Tuesday I'm starting at the bottom with another one of the full boxes. I tried to balance how decorative and patterned the boxes were so they weren't too close all together. There's also one of the boxes that has the same pattern as the washi, so I try and use that at the top of the page. I think I end up using that one on Thursday. But here I've just put a quarter box to mark in my placement, and then I'm trimming down another one of these little check boxes just to put something that I need to get done at placement that day as well. I'm adding in another one of the glitter headers. I really liked how this kind of broke up the days a little bit. I think usually I would use washi for this, but because there were so many stickers in this kit, might as well use them all. Then I've got a half box there. I can't exactly remember. Oh no, that was to mark in some planning I'm going to do in my little Fobonichi planner. So I've got a little Doodles Do girl there as well. On Wednesday, same as Monday, I'm just marking in work. And then I'm going to add in another full box and another one of the glitter headers with the overlays before I use some more of the trimmed down checklist for some other things I have on that day. When using these little trimmed down sticker surgery, DIY boxes, I found it really helpful to put them over a piece of the empty sticker paper. So then when I put the icon on, I could see how it looked and make sure it was in the right spot before putting it straight into my planner just so I could make sure the spacing was okay, because some of these icons were a lot bigger than others. But underneath my face mask, it was the perfect amount of space for a half box. I want to do a little bit of planning for some Instagram posts and things like that, so I just wanted to make sure I blocked off a bit more time, and I'm using one of my favorite Instagram icons. These are from Cate Planning as well. Now moving on to the second half of the week, I'm just going to put down the rest of the headers. I nearly actually accidentally used one of the pink ones in the first half, so I'm happy that I caught myself before I was one short. After I do that on Thursday, I'm going to put down the full box, that's the one with the same pattern as the washi, and then mark in work again. And I also put down the little dinner trackers. I think I did it on every day except Saturday. So this Friday here in Melbourne is actually a public holiday for the AFL Grand Final, which is super exciting. I don't work on Fridays, but I have placement, but because it's a public holiday, the clinic where I have my placement, they're not open, so it's like a true day off, which is super exciting. A little bit less exciting is my boyfriend's actually going away for the weekend to Sydney with his brother, so he'll be gone from Friday, and then I'll see him when I get back from work on Sunday night. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's correct. That's what I put in my planner anyway. So I'll be able to, I don't know, have some alone time, I guess. It's not too exciting. I'm more just excited to have both Friday and Saturday off, because usually I only have one day off a week, and I spend a lot of that time doing my planner stuff, which I love, but it just means that I tend to neglect some other things that I would feel much better about getting done. Like I really want to clean out all of my wardrobe and my clothes. At the moment it's a bit of a wardrobe, I guess. And then, I don't know, just like all those little things, like those life admin things that you don't do, and then you feel so much better once you get them done. Anyway, you can see on Thursday I also marked in that I wanted to vacuum the little tiny icons from Hamilton Print Co. I love these. I don't know if you guys have seen my Melbourne Planner Market haul, but I got an oops bag, and I swear it was like the best luck with an oops bag I've ever received in my life. But on Friday, you can see I just put another full box at the bottom. Then I've got the header going on, the overlay. And then I obviously wanted to mark in that my boyfriend was going to Sydney, so I'm using a quarter box for that. And then I used another one for to mark in that it was the public holiday. Then I'm using one of these flat lay stickers. I absolutely love using these. So these are from Stella Bow Sticker Co. It's just like a little film plan with me, kind of, I don't know, Instagram, whatever, flat lay, but I think they look really cute with all my spreads. On Saturday, I like to put a box at the bottom of the day just to kind of round it out and extend it a little bit before Sunday. I had this little cleaning spray bottle that you just saw. That was a leftover from a kit I used forever ago, but that is just to mark in that I want to clean out my clothes, my wardrobe, my wardrobe, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm using some more of these little cut-off checklists. I really like using these in the Cate Planning kits. I don't know what it is about the size, it's just perfect. There are the smaller, I think they're more like a blank header, the really thin boxes. I tend to use those when things pop up for me throughout the week, so I'll layer those over the full boxes and kind of anywhere where they'll fit if I want to add in things that come up. Just marking in that I want to do grocery shopping as well. That's another little Hamilton Print Co. icon. I can't remember if that one's from an oops bag. I don't think it is. I think that's a previous order. But then on Saturday morning, I'm just using the flag that came with the kit and this little pillow icon. Because my boyfriend is not home, I'll get to have a sleep in. He loves getting up early and getting the day going, which is very motivating, but it'll be nice for me to maybe sleep in. I'm thinking maybe like 9:30 or something like that before I get my day going. On Sunday, again, pretty similar to Friday, like I want to mark that Steve's coming home, but then I also have work, and as you guys know, I like to put a box in the very corner. So I'm marking in work the same as I did the rest of the week. I add in another one of the headers and the overlays and just kind of fill the rest of the space there. But once I get all the stickers down on Sunday, I'm going to go ahead and add in some of the little tiny like star icons there from Monique Plans, just to add some more silver foil to the kit, because at the moment it's just the work scripts and the overlays. So I want to have a bit more throughout, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you all in my next plan with me. Bye!